Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a fresh watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is so simple to make with a blender. Refreshing, sweet, tangy and hydrating. It's perfect for a hot summer day. Watermelons are very good to improve your skin and hair, and they are also a good source of vitamin C. So what are we waiting for? Let's have a look at how to make this healthy juice. We will need 200 grams of watermelon, a couple of mint leaves, 1 teaspoon rock salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons sugar syrup. Now we're going to blend all our ingredients in the blender. Our watermelon, our chaat masala, rock salt, fresh mint leaves, sugar syrup, lime juice, and then blend. If you like these recipes, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this. We're going to garnish our watermelon juice with some mint leaves and a slice of lemon. Now that our refreshing watermelon juice is ready, it's time to sit back and enjoy. If you like our recipes, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!